So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll discuss about one of the most important interview questions, how to validate mobile number by using the Regex. Okay, so before going for the discussion, if you guys are still not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it. Okay, so if you are facing any confusion, so please add in a comment section so that I will get your doubt and I will rectify it. Okay, so without wasting of time, so we'll go for the discussion. So every time remember is, so by using Regex means, so first thing is we need to import the module, import array. So Regex module we import it. So then we need to define one variable. Suppose I define mobile number equals to input, enter a mobile number. Okay, so then pattern. So pattern, how we will define a pattern? So this is the most important things. So I will explain you very easy way, and so that you will remember at a time. Okay, so now in India, so our mobile number maximum means consist of 10 digits. Okay, so 10 digits. Okay, so total number of total 10 digits. The first digit may be start with 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so how many phone numbers we are using? You guys are already known about this. So our phone numbers basically it start with 6, 7 or 8 or 9. It means the first digit out of 10 digits, the first digit it is starting with either 6, either 7, either 8 or either 9. So that's why I will make one pattern for the first digit, that is called as I will make 6 to 9. So it means the mobile number maybe it will start with 6, maybe it will start with 7, maybe it will start with 8, and maybe start with 9. So remaining 9 numbers, okay, numbers, it may be 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so remaining 9 numbers. Okay, so it may be either 0, either 1, so on up to 9. Okay, so that's why how we'll make one pattern for the second digit. I will make one pattern like 0 to 9. Okay, so it may be 0, may be 1, the second number. Similar way up to 10th number we will mention 0 to 9. So because there is not specific that specific digit is required to make that phone number. Okay, so first digit only we are specifying for validation. Okay, so remaining numbers, remaining 8 place I will just copy paste. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So our pattern is okay. So just you copy paste this pattern and just put it here. Okay, so then you will encode with one string. Okay, then we'll use full match. So last video I explained about the full match. If array dot full match pattern, yeah, pattern comma mobile number. Okay, if it will be full match, I will print valid mobile number, else print invalid mobile number. Okay, so if I will run now, seven zero double 707036494. Okay, so what mobile number is not defined, something I missed wrongly. Okay, so here I will just remove this one. So then if I will run it, 63838329110. so it is showing valid phone numbers. Okay, so then we'll check for one the negative scenario. Okay, so I will mention this number means 33677 digits number we have provided. Then if I will enter, so it is showing that invalid phone number. Okay, so clear. Okay, so next thing is, so this is the one of the easiest way we can make this pattern. Okay, so another two way, so that I will explain you so that you will understand, and the length of this pattern will be small. Okay, so there is another way. Okay, so we know that the first thing is starting weight is 6 to 9. So then if I will remove this all the things, if I will mention /d of 9. Okay, /d means digit character, so 9 means 90 position. Okay, so 90 position. So okay, so you just remember 6 to 9 means our is the first position out of 10. The first digit of mobile number, suppose mobile number starting digit. Okay, so that one is I specified. So remaining 90 number, I mention /d backward slash of d, then curly bracket of 9. So if I will make this pattern, if I will run also, it will give the exact answer. Okay, sorry, I'll just run here. Six 383832910. Okay, you can see it is showing the valid phone number. So this is the second way, the second pattern. Okay, so if you don't want to use that big pattern, you just simply you can use this pattern to validate a mobile number. Okay, so another okay, so this is the two methods I will explain here. So I will not explain another method, so that one is similar to these two methods. Okay, so that is no need to explain it. So please remember, if you guys in case of any doubt, so please add in the comment section so that I will rectify your doubt. So thank you, thanks for watching, bye.